Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we are going to learn about the various types of pattern. Just select a part solid and select our corresponding unit as a millimeter Newton second and click OK. Then select a plane which you want to sketch and make it for sketch on view. Initially we need to create a base part for applying the pick and place features such as patterning. So I just draw a circle here such as a concentric circles. Then click OK, go for extrusion and give the placements or required amount of thickness. After that you have to select a circular face and go for the sketch option and make it for sketch on view. Now we are going to draw the feature which we want to make a pattern. Now I am just going to make a circular pattern, so I just draw a single gear of the mechanical component. So I try to make a gear profile here. Just draw a center line to mirror a arc to make a gear profile. Now I just draw a closed profile here. After drawing the closed profile, just click OK and go for extrude. In extrude we have to make a remove material, so make sure you have to flip the direction and click the remove material icon. Give the required amount of thickness or make it through wall cut for remove the material here. Then click OK. You have to select extrude 2 which we create just now and go for the patterning option. Now we have to select a type of pattern to make a gear. Just select a axis pattern. Axis pattern is used to create a patterning in circular direction. After selecting an axis pattern, we have to specify the axis to generate the pattern. Then you have to specify the number of patterns or instances to be produced. Then you have to specify the angle between each and every gear. I just specified 20 number of gears to be produced, and then specify the angle between the single gear, such as 360 divided by 20 is 18 degree. Then click OK. Now the gear like structure is created by using an axis pattern. You can just apply the auto round to remove all sharp edges in a gear component. Now the fillet is generating, it will take a few seconds. Now the fillet is generation completed. This is a way for creating a gear component by using a axis pattern. Just delete the previous patterns to apply the upcoming types of pattern. Just select a circular face and make it for sketch on view. Draw a circle here, then click OK. Go for the extrusion, specify the required amount of value is necessary and you can make a remove material here. just select a remove material icon to make a hollow area, then click OK. Now the hollow area is created at the circular face. Now we are going to make a pattern this. You can also apply the different color for good visualization. Go for the model and select a extrude to where we remove the material from the design tree, and go for the pattern option. Inside the pattern option we have to go for using a fill pattern option. Just select a fill pattern. After selecting a fill pattern, the highlighted reference is shown here. Just go for reference. We have to define the closed sketch for specify the boundary area for creating a patterning. Now we have to make a closed structure for define the boundary where we want pattern. Just select a project and make a inner circle as a reference. And go for palette option. Inside the palette option we have a lot number of shapes and structure. You can pick any one of them. I just pick a star like structure and place in a window. Then you have to increase the size of the star like structure. Then click OK. Now the closed loop is created. Just click OK. Now the inside the star like structure the pattern is generated successfully. This is the main use of fill pattern. Just click OK. The pattern is starting generation. Now the fill pattern is successfully generated here. Thanks for watching.